In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account and start making money. So first things first, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok account, go to your profile here, and in the upper right-hand corner, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines to bring up the 4 settings that you see here. What you want to do is go to your TikTok studio. So tap into TikTok studio and scroll down until you see an option here that says monetization. If we tap on that box there or arrow that says monetization, we'll be able to see all of the programs that we're eligible for. So as you can see where it says programs for you, and then you can see above there where it says active programs. So if we go to view all, you can see there are a number of programs that you can either join or get notified when you qualify to use them. So let me walk you through the different programs that you can apply for. And remember, you do have to qualify to utilize these different programs. So I'll have a pinned comment down below talking about some of the requirements that you need to meet before you can start doing certain programs here on TikTok. First one is TikTok Shop for Creator. This one's very simple. So for TikTok Shop, you can go here and promote products and look at different products. They can send you free products and you'll get a kickback every time an item sells. The Creator Rewards program is their ad revenue program. So where basically if a video is over a minute long and the view qualifies, you can get paid for ads that are watched before and after your videos. Next is video gifts. Very self-explanatory. Viewers can send you digital gifts with money. Live rewards, basically when you go live, you can see that people can send you gifts and different things here when you go live. Then you have live incentive program, which is just basically a tandem with the live rewards. And then you have work with artists. This one's pretty cool. You can work with artists of songs in different campaigns, and if your video gets enough views, then you can qualify for a lump sum of money. Now, there are other ones that I have not joined, the Creator Marketplace, where you can collaborate with brands on paid campaigns, or they can send you different campaigns, and subscription. Think of this as an exclusive membership program where you can create exclusive content for people who give you money each month to be a part of your exclusive group. Again, there are a number of monetization programs on TikTok. You will have to be eligible to join them. And as you can see, this account that I have here is qualified to join any of them. Just make sure that your account is in good standing and you have the requirements that are met, and then come here to monetization and tap on join. And whenever you tap on join a program, it will go ahead and walk you through the process of what you need to give them in order to start making money from that account. Now, if you're looking to get money out of your account, once you do start making money, I'll link a video down below that I have showing you how to remove your balance from your TikTok account. Hopefully this was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.